Hey there, English heroes. Today we're going on an epic quest with three little words that cause big confusion. A, an, and the. Articles, tiny but tricky. Let's figure them out and have some fun doing it. A versus an. Meet the indefinite duo. First, meet our two friendly article sidekicks, a and an. We use them when we're talking about something general or unknown. I saw a dog. Not a specific dog, just a dog. She ate an apple. Not a special apple, just an apple. So what's the difference between a and an? It's simple. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. A cat, a house, a unicorn. Yes, unicorn starts with a U sound, like you. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. An egg, an umbrella, an honest man. Yes, honest starts with a silent H, so it's a vowel sound. The definite article boss. Now, meet the. This article isn't just any article, it's the article. We use the when we're talking about something specific or already known. I saw a cat. The cat was sleeping. Now we know which cat we're talking about. The sun is bright. There's only one sun, and it's famous. Think of the as pointing a finger. You know what I mean. Warning, don't use the when you're being general. I like the music, unless you mean specific music. I like music, in general. Let's review. A, one general thing, consonant sound. An, equals one general thing, vowel sound. The, a specific thing, something we both know. Sometimes we use no article at all. Use no article with plural nouns. I like cats. All cats, in general. Use no article with uncountable noun, general. She drinks water. Quick recap. An equals one thing, not specific. The equals something specific, no article. When you mean something in general, say this out loud. I bought a sandwich, an orange, and the last cookie. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and try making your own sentences using a, an, and the in the comments. See you in the next lesson.